ChatGPT hacks and use cases. Hey there! Ever wondered if ChatGPT is just a fancy chatbot or your secret productivity ninja? Spoiler alert, it's both. Stick around as we dive into some ChatGPT hacks that'll make you go, why didn't I think of this before? Hack 1. Personal Assistant Extraordinaire. First up, ChatGPT can be your personal assistant minus the coffee runs. Need to draft an email? Plan your week? Or come up with a convincing excuse to skip that boring meeting? Just type it in, and ChatGPT's got you covered. Hack 2. Homework. Help Hero. Stuck on math homework or confused about that Shakespeare play? ChatGPT can simplify complex concepts into bite-sized explanations. Though, fair warning, it won't write your entire essay, unless you ask really nicely. Hack 3. The Creative Spark Plug. Writer's block? Not anymore. ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas for your blog, YouTube channel, or even that viral tweet you've been dreaming of. Who knew your creativity just needed a little AI boost? Hack 4. Travel Agent Vibes. Planning a vacation? ChatGPT can help you find travel itineraries, suggest hidden gems, and even tell you how to ask for the Wi-Fi password in 5 different languages. Because, let's be honest, we all need Wi-Fi. Hack 5. Recipe Guru. Got random leftovers in your fridge? Ask ChatGPT for recipe ideas, and suddenly, you're the next master chef. Who knew half a tomato and some bread could become gourmet bruschetta? Hack 6. Career Coach on Demand. Need help landing your dream job? ChatGPT can polish your resume, suggest answers to tricky interview questions, and even help you negotiate a raise. Just don't ask it to do the actual interview for you, yet. Hack 7. Fitness Buddy, kinda. Okay, so ChatGPT won't do the push-ups for you, but it can suggest workout routines, meal plans, and even motivational quotes to keep you going. Pain is just weakness leaving the body, or so they say. Hack 8. Fun and games. And when you're bored, ChatGPT's got your back. Play trivia, solve riddles, or even ask it to tell you a joke. Warning: the jokes are hit or miss. Example: why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. So, there you have it. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's your assistant, tutor, travel agent, and comedian rolled into one. Ready to give it a try? Drop your favorite hack in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tips.